The breakfast house favorite combo, steak and eggs, are about to make your Taco Tuesday epic. Tender cooked steak and veggies in a tortilla topped with a perfectly fried egg. So let's get these tacos started. On a large pan or on a grill, you want to grill your meat for about 7 minutes per side, depending on the size. Remove it from the pan, allow it to sit and rest, and then slice it. Now in this large skillet, I'm going to heat some oil over medium-high heat. Now once everything is nice and hot, we're gonna add the fajita veggies. You could use fresh peppers and onions, but I'm cutting down prep time by using the frozen mix. Now that these are ready, we're gonna add the steak and cook this for another 3 minutes. Before I start on the eggs, I'm going to place the black beans in the microwave and give them a quick warm. Now this part is up to you. In my cookbook, it says to scramble the eggs, which is still totally yummy and probably the best route if you're serving this to kids. However, I do love a good runny yolk action, so I'm going the over easy route. All right, for the rest of this assembly line, I've got chopped cilantro. I don't have chopped cilantro. I have some sliced avocado, some salsa, cotija cheese, or warm black beans, the cilantro. So the flour tortillas are warm, so all I have to do is assemble. Now, just a note, since these tacos are pretty hefty, they work better with flour tortillas, or if you want to use corn tortillas, you may want to double up on the corn. Of course, you could totally create a bed of rice and turn it into a bowl. Now, there is an order to these tacos, so first let's place the steak and veggies onto the tortilla. Then some black beans, the avocado slices, a little salsa. Let's add the eggs and top it with cheese, and finally, cilantro. This is taco heaven, you guys. The steak, the veggies, the eggs. I could eat this all day, every day. Breakfast, dinner, who cares? They're tacos. And if you love tacos and enjoyed today's video and haven't already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Fresh new videos and tacos every single week. I can't wait to cook with you next time.